The tool prepared in this video makes it easy to pull the main coolant hoses through the frame rails. It is possible to pull the hoses by hand, but we recommend building the pulling tool. Start with a 32-inch long 2x4. Measure from one end and mark at 1 1/4 inches and 30 1/2 inches. Then add a center line to each of these marks by measuring 1 3/4 from the edge. Clamp the board securely to a table and drill 9/16 holes at both marks. We recommend using a spade bit made for drilling wood. The holes you are drilling will be used to attach the board to the rear of your Goblin frame. There are many different winches you can use, but we like the Hallmaster half-ton hand winch from Harbor Freight. Start preparing the winch by unwinding the cable. On this winch, you can push down on the release handle to easily unwind the cable. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the cable clamp on the side of the winch and then remove the cable. Next, you'll replace the cable with 20 feet of 3/8 poly rope. Feed the rope through the winch as shown and fasten it with the clamp. Attach the winch handle with a 19mm wrench. Set the winch aside. Remove one strut bolt and nut from your donor knuckle. This will be used to attach the pulling tool to the chassis later. Open your Stage 1 hardware box and find the K23 radiator hose hardware baggie. Pull out the small aluminum ring and the uncoated nut. Find one of the long subframe bolts from your donor. Run the uncoated nut onto the bolt until it bottoms out. You do not need to tighten or jam this nut. Slip the aluminum ring onto the rope and then tie a large knot. In the next video, we'll attach the pulling tool to the chassis and prepare to pull the hoses.